Today we are making a dessert that feels elegant but is surprisingly simple. These pineapple cream crepes are light, creamy, and full of tropical flavor. Soft homemade crepes filled with custard and juicy pineapple. Finished with a beautiful port wine glaze, perfect for family dinners or festive celebrations. Let's get started. Pineapple cream crepes with port wine glaze. Crepes: 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 300 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, salt to taste. The filling: 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of milk, use the same can to measure, 6 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 pack of whipping cream, 4 pineapple slices, finely chopped. The topping: 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 deciliter of port wine, 1 tablespoon of strawberry jam. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, the flour, and milk until smooth. Add the melted butter and season lightly with salt. Mix well. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour 1 ladle of batter, swirl to coat. Cook, flip, and repeat until the batter is finished. In a saucepan, combine milk, condensed milk, egg yolks, and flour. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until thickened. Remove from heat and let the custard cool completely. Whip the cream until fluffy and gently fold into the cooled custard. Fill each crepe with a spoon of cream and a spoon of chopped pineapple. Fold and place on a serving dish. In a small saucepan, add sugar, port wine, and strawberry jam. Bring to a boil and simmer for about 10 minutes until slightly thickened. Spoon the glaze over the crepes before serving. And there you have it, creamy pineapple crepes with a port wine glaze. A beautiful dessert that's very impressive and very easy to make at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Tip number 1. Let the batter rest for 15 to 20 minutes for softer crepes. Tip number 2. Lightly grease the pan only before the first crepe if needed. Tip number 3. Stir continuously to avoid lumps and prevent the yolks from scrambling. Fold gently to keep the filling light and airy. Allow the glaze to cool slightly so it thickens beautifully over the crepes.